Hey developers, welcome to Devcovery. Today, we're bringing you the hottest open source projects trending on GitHub, so you don't miss any tech developments worth your attention.
Today, we're taking a deep dive into a trending project on GitHub, Tolaria, a desktop app designed to wrangle your scattered Markdown files into a cohesive, powerful knowledge base. It's exploding in popularity because it offers a clean, focused solution to the universal developer problem of managing personal and team documentation effectively. What if your digital brain wasn't trapped in the cloud? We live in an era of subscription services and proprietary formats. But one project is asking a radical question. Can our knowledge be as free and controllable as our code? Can it have version history built right in? That's the promise of Tolaria. So, what is Tolaria? It's a desktop app from the creator refactoringhq, and it's built to manage Markdown knowledge bases. It's a direct answer to the common frustrations we all feel. Things like data lock-in, cloud dependency, and closed proprietary formats. Tolaria offers a local-first solution, putting users back in complete control of their own information. And it's clear this idea is resonating with developers. The project has already racked up over 12,273 stars, with an impressive 420 of those added just today. It also has 872 forks, which shows a lot of active interest. For years, anyone trying to manage their knowledge has faced a tough choice. You could embrace those feature-rich cloud-based tools, but that meant surrendering ownership of your data. Or, you could try to juggle a bunch of local files, but that meant dealing with clunky manual version control. Most existing solutions lead straight to vendor lock-in. Trying to export your own data is often a nightmare, and you usually lose formatting and structure along the way. The other option, just managing plain Markdown files, doesn't give power users the integrated experience they need. This is where Tolaria's approach stands out. It treats a knowledge base not just as a folder of files, but as a Git repository from the moment you start. And that one decision fundamentally changes your relationship with your own data. So let's look at how Tolaria is built. Its architecture is really a modern blueprint for efficient desktop apps. It uses the Tari framework, which is a powerful combination. It pairs a Rust backend with a web-based frontend built in React and TypeScript. This hybrid design gives you a native feel, but without the heavy resource use of older technologies. The core philosophy here is files first. What does that mean? Instead of a database, the app works directly with Markdown files on your local disk. To handle a massive number of notes, the Rust backend probably builds a super-fast in-memory index of all the files and their metadata. This is what allows for instant search and retrieval, even if you have over 10,000 notes. But the truly game-changing part is its Git-first design. A knowledge vault in Tolaria isn't just a folder, it's a full-fledged Git repository. The Rust core uses libraries to run Git commands natively. This means an action as simple as saving a note becomes a Git commit. It's like applying a professional software development workflow, complete with a full version history directly to your personal knowledge. So, what are the real-world applications for a tool like this? They span both personal and professional use cases. For individuals, it's perfect for building a second brain. You can organize huge amounts of personal knowledge in a durable offline format that you truly own. For teams, Tolaria can act as a central hub for documentation. This documentation can then be fed as context to AI assistants, which dramatically improves their accuracy. In fact, AI researchers are already using it to give persistent memory to AI agents. And getting started is designed to be incredibly simple. There's a pre-made Getting Started vault that walks new users through all the features. Plus, you can install it through standard package managers like Homebrew, making it easy to get up and running. Now, despite its innovative design, Tolaria does face some potential challenges. Its Git-first approach is a huge strength, but it could also be a hurdle for users who aren't familiar with version control. Imagine trying to explain merge conflicts to someone who just wants to take notes. The system's performance might also take a hit if a knowledge base starts to fill up with large binary files, since Git isn't really optimized for those. And another point to consider, The project seems to be driven by a very strong, singular vision. While that's great for focus, it does raise some questions about long-term sustainability and the potential for community-driven development down the line. So, at its core, Tolaria is much more than just another note-taking app. It's a powerful statement about data ownership. It provides a future-proof foundation for your personal and professional knowledge by treating it with the same discipline and rigor as source code. This makes it a critical tool, especially in our increasingly AI-driven world.
That's all for today's Devcovery. We hope these GitHub trending projects spark some inspiration for your development work. You can find all the repos mentioned in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow at the same time.